This has got to be the ultimate Wagyu experience to the point na need ko maalala na nasa Makati lang ako and not in Japan. I guess don't take it from me but sa awards nila, sa Omni A5 Wagyu na top 3 best Wagyu in Japan. And speaking of Wagyu, air flown straight from Japan and from the farms of Shiga to your table. Would seem na parang nasa Japan na talaga kayo. And ang best part is they have a Wagyu lunch set na less than 1.5k. The Wagyu experience here in Hiro Japanese Yakiniku gets na awards, gets na the positive reviews. Okay, let me just say na I'm very picky when it comes to Wagyu. Though I appreciate, of course, the gorgeous marbling, I do personally prefer leaner ones still with a good punch of that fat flavor na you'll definitely get. We got their Wagyu Goten Mori, their bestseller, and the premium Mori Awase. Among these spread, these are the chef's kiss Wagyu or meat cuts that blew me away. Love the A5 Wagyu Joka Ruby for its smoky barbecue-ish taste na cut. Best lean and fatty combo yung Wagyu chuck roll and my favorite of the night, A5 Wagyu strip loin, most tender, still fat forward yet may taste of lean pa din. Gyutang for me is a staple order when it comes to yakiniku. I appreciate the cube cuts of the Wagyu na koochi, just my preference, but here are the meats that I enjoy but not my favorite. Bestseller nila yung A5 Wagyu chuck ribs pero it's the fattiest cut kasi. And same goes with the Wagyu Tokujo. I prefer the gyutang over the atsugiri dahil we got parts na medyo chewy. Pensa lang talaga sa Wagyu preference nyo. Nonetheless, all the Wagyus were tender, beautifully marbled, rich and almost buttery when you bite. And for the sides pala, the salad is definitely a must order. All the meats, girl, you need fiber. Dubu was also a hit. Seafoody, right amount of heat, warm and comforting. For me, I need more of a salmon bite lang as I feel like I got more rice. If you're not getting Wagyu naman, I suggest get the grilled sushi na melts in your mouth and may pa-spice pa siya. So I say Hiro Japanese Yakiniku is the Wagyu experience in Makati and there's definitely a Wagyu for everyone. Ichoy!